Hello. So, common failure point on this generation of Prius, this generation 2, specifically my 2007 Toyota Prius, is this button for accessing the hatch. So you can see that mine, they've got this duct tape all over it, which was their solution. I don't know if ooh, that's nasty. I don't know what all is up under there, but it ain't pretty. So I went ahead and ordered a replacement button, which was only, I mean, it's not really the button, it's just the rubber that covers the button. It was like $9 off of Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it here and show you guys how entailed it is. So this is what I got, was this bag. So I got a couple screws, my little Allen wrench with a Phillips head on it, and then the little rubber piece. So let's see if this Phillips Allen is sufficient to get these screws out. It's kind of a bad angle here. I have a feeling that the official method would be to take this plastic piece off of the back of the door. So I imagine this probably just pops down. And sure enough, I was able to get my finger up under here, and you can see that big ol' green plug there, and it's quite tight, but it's not breaking on me, so that's good. So I'm just gonna work my way around here, popping these loose. Looks like I got one right up in the middle here. There we go. Alright, so the whole back pops loose. Set that over there. So I bet you this bolt, or this nut, and this nut are holding that on. Those look like maybe 10 millimeter. Let's see what I got in here. Okay, sure enough, 10 millimeter. Found myself a 10 millimeter. There's one nut. Let's grab the other one right here. Let's see if this comes loose now. Certainly seems to have something still attaching it. There are some more nuts up in here. So, right here. On your marks, get set, go! You gonna say hi?
Hi.
There we go, that's loose. Okay, now we have our exposed screws. So let's get our screwdriver out. That is in there good. I'm gonna go ahead and get my screwdriver out. That one just doesn't have much ability to torque these things. So this is the part where I wonder which part stays on the car and which comes off. So this hard stuff back here, I'm thinking that might need to stay. And I'm just supposed to be scraping off what's on top of it. Go! Okay, on marks, get set, go! Yeah. On marks, just bring it up. Go! No, no, just plastic. You started, or there's actually a ceiling here. Keep it watertight. Oh, no, if you want to go, so open that. Alright, I have a feeling all this black stuff was a seal between the rubber and the car. So, I don't think I need to remove all of it. The button sort of works, but it's a little stiff still. So let's see if we can remove some of the rubber between it and the car. Might need my knife. Go! That feels better. Alright, let's see if we can get this new button installed. On your marks, get set, go. Okay, so I was going to use these new screws, but I think the threads are smaller on the new screws than the old screws, because it just kind of popped right in there. So let's just use the old screws. There wasn't really anything wrong with them. On your marks, get set, go. And there we have it, people. Buttons in. So let's see if I can get this put back together correctly. Alright, so that's on. So let's put these nuts on from the underside. So number one. Number two. Alright, so now we just got to stick our cover back on the inside here. And there we have it. Let's see how it works. I might need some struts. Maybe you should subscribe so that when I replace my struts you can see how easy that is too. So you probably noticed the mess inside the car here. If you are interested in some slightly more advanced DIY on something like this Prius, you should subscribe and hit the notification bell, working on doing the high voltage battery. It really wasn't that hard. I'd say probably a couple $100 worth of tools, being careful and following the correct procedure to stay safe, and then just doing things meticulously. It's really not that hard. I probably got the back of the car apart in about an hour or less. And then it was really a matter of measuring each of the modules, each of the 28 modules, finding out which ones were bad, and getting some used modules to put in their place. So stay in tuned. I will upload the video on how I did that shortly. Thanks.